Want to know how to start a t-shirt business with your book? In this episode of the How to Write a Book and Make Money Online series, we're going to go over the 3 steps you can take to create an actual t-shirt business with your book. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodnez, founder and CEO of Godlywood Girl, creator of Godlywood Girl University TV. And my purpose in life is to create resources that help you step into your purpose as a faith-based entrepreneur. So, in this video, I'm so excited to teach you how to turn your t-shirt or how to create a t-shirt business from your book. But first, if you have not written a book yet, make sure you grab my free Write Your Book checklist. Sis, it's a digital download. You'll be able to go through it, keep yourself on track, mark it off, put in your ideas and things like that. Make sure you click the link in the description box below to get your free copy. Now, grab your pen and paper. Let's go over the steps for turning your book into a t-shirt. So step number 1 for how to turn your book into a t-shirt business is read your book and identify at least 5 catchy phrases you can put on a t-shirt. Identify at least 5 catchy phrases you can put on a t-shirt. Now, when I talk about catchy phrases, I'm not talking about just cute little sayings that you wrote in your book, okay? Your book should be a clear solution to a clear problem. Hopefully, that's how you wrote your book. If you didn't, watch my Write Your Nonfiction Book workshop. I take you through the entire process from making sure your book is a clear solution to a clear problem. But basically, your book is going to represent what somebody's life will look like after you've solved that problem for them. Your book teaches them how to solve that problem. So what does their life look like afterwards? Whatever phrase that you choose from your book should represent what that life looks like. It should represent the transformation. It should represent the dream that we're trying to attain by reading your book. That way, your t-shirt is going to symbolize somebody's life after they have joined your movement and taken action on what you teach in your book. Step number 2 for how to start a t-shirt business with your book. Now that you've chosen 5 catchy phrases, it's time to do your research for print-on-demand t-shirt vendors. Do your research for print-on-demand t-shirt vendors. Now, print-on-demand means that somebody doesn't print the shirt until your customer purchases the shirt. This is how you can start a t-shirt business for literally $0. I do not recommend you printing and shipping your own shirts from your home. I'm sorry. It's a waste of time. We have very high quality print-on-demand t-shirt businesses available nowadays. So we just don't need to spend our time actually creating the shirt. We want to spend our time marketing, okay? So do your research and choose the print-on-demand vendor you want to use. So some very common ones are Spreadshirt, Tscape, T-Launch, Printful, Printify. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many nowadays. Just Google print-on-demand t-shirt business and do your research. So when I say do your research, you're gonna go through their inventory and see who has the type of t-shirts you like. Like I like to sell these type of necks. I also like to sell V-necks. So that's kind of what I look for when I'm looking for a print-on-demand t-shirt business vendor. So look for the type of shirt that you wanna sell and then go ahead and upload your design and order it. That's how you're gonna make sure you get a high quality t-shirt vendor. So go ahead and do your research and choose your t-shirt vendor. Step number 3 for how to start a t-shirt business with your book. Now that you've chosen your print-on-demand t-shirt vendor, you're gonna go ahead and download their template size for the type of shirt you wanna sell and then design your phrases. Design all the phrases you chose into t-shirts. Do not, and I repeat, do not design your shirt first and then try to shove it on the print-on-demand vendor's t-shirt. Every print-on-demand vendor has their own template that they use to print their shirts. You know how sometimes when you order a shirt from like a smaller business, and I'm a small business too, so I mean no shade, but a smaller business, sometimes it comes out blurry. That's because the person most likely designed the shirt before they got the actual design template from their vendor. You gotta go the other way. Get the template first. They're gonna tell you exactly what size to design. When they tell you, that's what you design. That's how you design your shirt. Now, I do recommend once you have designed all 5 of your shirts and uploaded them to your print-on-demand t-shirt vendor that you order all 5 shirts. So a lot of times, I know this can be kind of costly, especially because some of the shirts are gonna cost $11, $12 per shirt. So it's like, ooh, do I want to order all those at once? But the answer is yes, because you have one chance to make a first impression. That's it. So if your shirt doesn't quite look right and you start selling it, your customer is gonna tell you. And that's embarrassing. I'm sorry to say, it's embarrassing. So just make sure that you order it yourself and be proud of it And that way, as you are selling it to your customers, you know they're getting something really nice and high quality. Now, if you can only order one shirt at a time, then only sell one shirt at a time. You don't gotta do all 5 at a time. I just want you to have a full collection. That's why I said choose 5, but you don't have to sell all 5 at the same time. And finally, the last step for how to start a t-shirt business with your book. Now that you have designed your shirts, it's time to list your t-shirts available for sale and put a link to purchase them in your book. Put a link to purchase them in your book. Now, theoretically, at this point, you've already started selling your book. You already have people purchasing your book. So you can go ahead and promote your new t-shirts directly to your book customers. That's fantastic. But you also want to make some passive income out of this, okay, sis? So what you'll want to do is in each chapter of your book, at the end of each chapter, hopefully you have a call to action section. If you use my formula, then you do. So in that call to action section, you're going to say, by the way, if you want a t-shirt symbolizing that you over here taking action, getting the life that you want, then make sure you go to, and then you'll put your website link where they can actually go and purchase. That way, as somebody is reading your book, they have the opportunity to go and purchase your shirt. This is the purest definition of passive income. That's Sleep Coin says, because you don't gotta be doing nothing. All they gotta do is be reading your book. They decide when they go buy, and then the print-on-demand vendor prints a shirt and ships it to them when they buy. You just got to do your marketing. That is it. Now, if you want to see the process of completely setting up a print-on-demand t-shirt business from scratch, get into Godlywood Girl University TV. I have an incredible course on there called the T-Shirt Business Bootcamp, where you will watch from idea to published t-shirt business, all the way, the whole entire process being created, a t-shirt business being set up. On the GDU TV platform, you're also going to get hundreds of other video resources to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. To get started on the platform, go to purposelegend.com/schoolofbusiness and use discount code YouTube to get 50% off your first month on the platform. Don't forget to grab my free Write Your Book checklist to help you get started, and subscribe to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel for more videos just like this one to help you step into your God-given purpose as a faith-based author. God bless you, and Jesus willing, I'll see you in the next video.